and welcome back to Kitten Game. Today I got my diving diver tank, which is for oxygen, obviously. So enough with the chit chat and let's get started. Now we just need one more fishing. Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Yes! We reached it. We reached it to yeah. But we're trying to get the shark cat baby because I heard it cost. Yeah, I think we're gonna make it. When new thing named Invisible doesn't stalk people. Okay, who cares? Whee! Yes! That was so close, like, really. Wait, I think I just saw a rare one. I think so. Oh, wait, dang, that's just close. So we're just going to take a little break. Burley has to do that. wait. Yeah, I forgot. Time to put this in. Yeah! Wait! And I hate your style. Wait! Okay. Ooh. Okay. Stop running away, okay? You're not the only one, okay? I'm kind of hungry after that. What's this? What's this junk? Yeah. Yummy. Oh no! I'm a baby! A baby! Baby! Yeah! Now what happens if I drink that while being a baby? Let's see. Oh.
Yummy!
Oh my god! I got it! What the I just got it! Go! Go!
Yummy!
Go! Go!
Yummy!
Wait, it doesn't it doesn't work. Oh my god. It's like forever. It's like a newborn baby. Never mind about that. Let's just grow up. Beep, 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 beep. Ah! I'm sorry! Oh. Ah! I cannot touch the floor. The floor. Wait! The floor besides this type of grass. Wee! Hup! Ah! I never expected that! Wait, what's the other egg? Wee! Wee! But I cannot touch anything else. I think they spawn in somewhere. Minifigure? Not anymore. I don't care about them. And I really want to get this. You're swimming? Come on. Only on level 2? Come on. Nope, nope. But I noticed that this like moved. No. You're not a cat, okay? You're only on level 1. Get a better life. Okay, you left. Even the wizard is happy that you left. Yay! Ooh, that was so close. Yeah, maybe on time. Why? Why? No. Because I think we have a test tomorrow. Huh? Nope. No. Man, I wish I got more fishes. Come on, man. Even I'm older than them. Excuse me, don't go near me. Because I hate you. I really hate you. Bro, where are these guys? Ooh, coin. Now I gotta see. Nope. Boom. Yeah. Must be at the back rooms. My God. Goodness gracious, why did they left without me? God. That's actually. Excuse me, out of my way. It's all your fault. Don't. Nope. Safe. We boom, 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 boom. Time to ride on my dolphin. Nope. Not there either. No, not. Excuse me, out of my way. You know, I'm just gonna search. Nope. Bye. I didn't check that place. Wait, they might not be here. Hey, you better move out of the way. I see him, I see him, I see him! Oh, okay. Bro, what? Yo, what is wrong with you? Nope. Knew I could avoid y'all. Oh wait, now I know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna go to the back rooms and just change out of these uniforms. Don't look at me. Okay, now I'm ready. Oh wait. Don't you know that this is my room? Whatever. I'm just gonna change. Not luck. Thanks. Bro, what is wrong with you? Oh wait, now I know what I look at. That's like nope. Yes, ragdoll. Oh, I can actually get. We. Okay, fine. You can look. Yes! Not gonna lie, I'm actually gonna like my cat. Like, I'm actually. But boy, I just wasted 50! Negative. Strawberry? No, chocolate donut. I'm just turning into an angel. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go to that place. Wait, they both kind of look alike. Like, they both kind of look like... Yeah. Yeah, like, this kind of looks like a bagel, and this is a donut. As we know... Yes. Yes. You know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm really gonna do? That's what I'm gonna do? Okay. Let's see what the baby looks. Are you? Oh. Okay. Then what did I just say? I guess I'm never ever gonna get the answer. Guess I'm never gonna get it. I see the light. No way! Oh my! Wait. Man, this feels like my dream. Well, not my dream. My dream in night, as we all know. Anyways, bye guys. I'm gonna test on my new vlog. Okay.